Good morning.
Good morning.
You ready for school?
Mm-hmm.
It's a hot one. Gracie's wearing shorts. It is really sticky humid. I think we only got 2 more days and it's gonna be in the 60s and the humidity is supposed to drop. So that'll be nice. What? Are you saying good morning too? Yeah? Well, good morning. Good morning, Cassie. Cassie's your best friend. She loves her Gracie. She's like, you're leaving again? All you do is leave. I miss those summer days when we'd sleep in. Now you just leave me.
Enjoy.
Oh, you're saying good morning too? 2 more days in the weekend. This 5:30 stuff's getting to me.
Me too. I feel
I know. I hear the alarm and I'm like, no.
like I set my alarm and it went off at 5 and then I put it for another 15 minutes and I fell asleep and it was like 5 minutes.
I know, it seems like it's just been like a second. And then it's like, oh, I don't want to get up. Well, have a good day. Good morning, child number 2. Missed the bus.
For a good reason.
Yeah. Getting Rachel some medicine. She don't feel good. So now she's going to come pick you up.
I actually felt bad because I ran to the bus and I was like breathing.
Aww.
Okay.
Aww. I hope she feels better. Having some Cocoa Puffs?
Yeah.
What time does school start for you?
7:25.
Oh, so you have plenty of time since we live like 5 minutes from the school. Ethan's he's sporting his orange Vans long sleeve today, which the humidity is super intense. You should have waited for Thursday or Friday when it's gonna be in the 60s, but you have lots of long sleeves, don't you? You have a lot of shirts.
Yeah.
Lots of t-shirts and lots of long sleeves. And do you have quite a bit of hoodies too?
Now I do. Because I can buy them. No, just like over the last year.
And I think I got you some for Christmas. So, it's almost that time where we can wear jeans and hoodies. I love wearing jeans and hoodies.
Rachel yesterday wore leggings and a sweatshirt, and she told me before school, and I'm like, you're crazy. And she's like, no, I'm not. It's cold in school, and I'm like, you're still crazy. And she goes, whatever.
Was she hot?
Yeah, she was hot all day. She was like, yeah, you were right.
If it wasn't for how intense the humidity was, it wouldn't have been so bad. But I mean, you can tell just by looking out the window. That's not rain. That's humidity. It's ridiculous. Look how pretty my flowers still are, though. All right, well, enjoy your Cocoa Puffs, and then off to school you go. You guys better not be late. Good morning.
Good morning.
3rd kid ready for school.
Yep.
You excited? What did you tell me this morning? I love school.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's good. I'm glad you like school. It's fun, huh? All right, let's grab your bag and let's go, buddy. We gotta get your picture. Because Mama's taking a picture of you every day this year, and I. Ready? Good job. All right, let's go. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Bright Family Vlogs, where every day there's a bright side. And if you'd like to be a part of our family, click that subscribe button and don't forget to click that icon bell. Today is Wednesday. It is a beautiful, beautiful, sunny, hot day here on September, what is it, the 5th already? Oh my gosh, and it's so hot and humid. I think it's warmer than it was in the beginning of August right now. It's crazy. But I guess I shouldn't complain because it's gonna be over with before we know it. Got all the kids to school. It was a crazy morning, got them to school. Broke a nail. Now I'm actually running in to go get my eyelashes filled. Probably check back in with you guys when I pick them up from school today and see how they're doing. Kids are home. Where are we going now?
Your house.
Again?
Yeah.
What? We always go. Do you think they're gonna have new stuff?
Yeah.
been in a while.
No, we haven't been here in a couple weeks. Brady, I found this little puppy in here. Look! Isn't he cute?
Brady.
It's a cute puppy. Oh.
Well, that's not nice.
That's not nice. You don't punch puppies.
Is it creepy?
When you move your mouth, let me see.
Is it creepy?
A little bit.
Cool.
That's creepy. That's what you should be. Oh, that's creepy. No! Oh no, it's a scary teddy. He's creepy. Stay back. What the heck? The killer's behind you, Brady. Brady, the killer's behind you. That's creepy when you do that. Like if a trick-or-treater came up and you were just doing that.
Is it?
Oh, what is this? No! Let me read it.
Wait a minute.
Smiley stitches. Nice. Yeah, that's a little creepy.
I can make my head shake.
Oh my gosh, when you blink your eyes, it looks weird.
Oh.
That's how I was waiting for Brady to do. That's why I took it off.
It was kind of a bummer that Spirit Halloween did not have any of the new props yet. They'd been having some delays with product coming in at ours here in our town, so we didn't stay there very long. We're gonna go back in about a week or so and see if they got any of the new ones, aren't we, Brady?
Mm-hmm.
Right now, Brady is doing his first project for school, and it's kind of like your first homework, but apparently we were supposed to do this over the summer, and we did not pay attention to the papers. Brady, what are we doing? Do you want to tell us?
We're making a sculpture of Put Me in the Zoo.
Of the book Put Me in the Zoo. So it's the dog you're doing?
Mm-hmm.
And you and Dad are...
He's a dog. Dog, bear, whatever it is.
Yeah, it's hard to tell what he is. I think he's a dog. Oh, could be a bear. Could be a bear. What do you guys think that is? Put that in the comments below. Is he a dog or a bear?
He is a dog with a flower in his hand, smelling it, with a 200 spots in his hand.
With 200 spots?
Guys,
Brady's gonna do the colored, make the colored spots with this clay. We could have done different things, right? Could have done poster board.
yeah.
Could have done all kinds of things, and we chose to do a sculpture.
Mom, did you like the spaceship that I made?
That's a pretty cool spaceship.
It is cool. He did it with all my carving tools. Or my
Little screwdrivers.
screwdriver.
Brady, don't smash the clay. So they're going to put it on the board, the sculpture, and then Brady is only in kindergarten, but he's supposed to
Oh yeah. It's
kind of talk about what it is or what he's doing the best that he
It's an
can.
extensive report.
Maybe you'll get it done tonight, or maybe you'll get it done tomorrow. We've already had dinner and lunches are made, so we'll see how far you get. Here comes the storm. It is thundering like crazy out here and raining. Now my camera's fogging up. See that lightning? Let's looking for the thunder. Whoa. There we go. I think this rainstorm is going to bring it. Whoa. It's crazy out here. I think this rainstorm though is going to bring in the cool weather. Light. We're getting a good one. I have to keep defogging my camera from the humidity. Oh my goodness. Look at the rain on the deck. I love a good thunderstorm. That is some strong lightning.
Whoa! That's scary!
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah!
All that lightning?
I can just watch this all day!
Ooh, I can already feel the air getting cooler. Ooh, stay back, baby.
I don't want to go
Okay.
outside.
Oh, you're not going in?
No way.
Stay back here. But Wow, did you hear that?
I hope you don't get
That's some good sleeping.
I hope you don't get electrified.
Electrified? I don't think we'll get electrified. It's called electrocuted.
Do not get electrocuted.
We won't.
I didn't think it was gonna hit us.
It's some.
It's actually not even that humid anymore.
Some I know, like, and I stood out here
Smells like worms out here.
feeling the weather just drop.
I like it.
It's so loud. It's so much lightning. It's super close. Ooh, the rain's
It's supposed to be 20 degrees cooler tomorrow.
I know. I
Well,
cannot
the
wait.
rain- I love rain, honestly.
I do too. I'm here. Wait for the thunder.
Smell it, Brady.
Smell the rain.
Smells like worms.
Stay back.
Lovely.
Brady, listen. Woo!
This is awful.
That's cold.
I know it feels good.
I know. It's getting like that rain is cold. Oh my gosh.
Brady, feel that
It's like
rain. Cold.
really cold. Oh, if there wasn't lightning, you could go dance in it.
I know. I love rain so much.
There's lightning, so
Drink it.
There, we gotta drink it.
you're gonna drink the rainwater.
Here you go.
It's probably dirty.
Come out!
Dad, don't scare him. It's gonna be another thunder. Listen. Is that awesome?
Every day.
So do you
There's
think,
been 9 tornadoes recorded.
Brady, get back.
5 days.
Stay under here, honey.
How wet.
That's a wet rain.
No,
But you can
it's a
just
lot.
feel, it was so hot today.
I know, it feels awesome out here.
It's 93 degrees today.
But that was just the regular temp. That wasn't with the
Yeah.
heat index.
Oh, it's 93 actual degrees today. It's probably
It was like-
73 right now.
I know. Oh wait, I got my phone.
My bad. Get that out of there.
I love, this is good sleeping weather.
Oh,
That's so
everyone's
cool.
like, did you stay awake all night because of that storm? No, I sleep better.
Yeah, so bad.
I do too. 79 degrees right now. It dropped too. Oh.
Whoa.
Brady, wait for it. Here comes the thunder.
Boom!
Guys.
What, honey?
I felt the line.
You saw
You
the
did
lightning
the
line?
lightning strike?
I did.
It's pretty sweet. All right, well, let's get inside, Brady. Let's show us your projects. Is it all done? All right,
think so.
let's see this. All right, Brady, what do you got?
This,
So this is about your project?
yep,
What's the book called?
put me in the zoo.
And what is the book about?
So, like, he,
What's his name, actually? He doesn't have a name?
No,
Okay.
he doesn't.
Oh, okay. So what does he do, honey?
so, like, he wants to go into the zoo to be in a cage.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, to show people what he can do.
And what can he do?
But the people in the zoo, well, they don't want him in there, right?
No,
Why?
I don't know.
It's hard telling. They don't want him in there. But then, what does he do? He shows those 2 little kids.
That he can with his spots.
What can he do with his spots?
He can.
Juggle his spots.
He can juggle his spots.
What? He can?
Yeah,
What else can he do with them?
and
You were just telling me. What else can he do with them?
he can throw them everywhere.
Yep, he can make them go everywhere. He can change the color of them.
Wow. So do you want to show us the project now?
Yep.
All right.
Turn it this way.
Pretty cool. And you wrote your name on there?
Yeah.
You did a very good job. And now, and what part did you help with?
These.
You made
Put
this,
all the spots on there.
you put all the spots
That's
on
a
there?
Good job.
That is your very first project. It's very nice. Good job. High five. What do you tell Daddy for helping you do that?
Thank you, Daddy.
You're awesome, Dad.
Came up to see what Gracie's up to and what's her outfit for tomorrow for school.
I'm wearing this necklace from Kohl's. I usually wear it. And then these from Claire's. I usually wear these two.
Earrings, okay.
And then I'm wearing this pink polo shirt.
Love it. And tomorrow is Brady's picture day and he's wearing a pink polo. Good thing you don't go to the same school.
It's on the same wall. And then a white bralette. And then ripped jeans.
Ripped
Pretty
jeans.
much my same picture day photo. But with my luck, we're going to get our student IDs tomorrow. And I'm going to match my student ID, which is always fun. I guarantee it's going to happen.
And how many days to Ed Sheeran?
3 tomorrow.
3 days. 3 days tomorrow? No.
Yeah.
No.
Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Oh,
2 days.
it's like 2.5 days.
It's 3 days right now. It is time for tonight's shout out. And who are you shouting out?
Kristen Benson.
Kristen Benson. Always comments. And
Says hello to everybody.
yes, very nice viewer. So Kristen Benson, you are our shout out for today. Thank you so much for all of your support and for always commenting and watching our vlogs. If you would like to have a shout out in our vlog, don't forget to hit that like button, make sure you're subscribed, and put a comment down below and we will shout you out. We love reading all of the comments, so keep them coming. We enjoy them very, very much. Thank you again, everybody, for watching and all of your support. We will see you guys tomorrow. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and we will see you tomorrow. And remember,
Always look on the bright side.